to my channel, Chinese with Wendy. I'm Wendy. In last episode, we talked about the most simple way to greet people in Chinese, like 你好, hi, hello. If you want to show your respect, you can say 您好. However, there are more than one ways to greet people in Chinese. This is Jenny White in China. Let's spend a day with her to see how she greets people like native Chinese speaker. She wakes up at 6:30, says 早 to her boyfriend. 9 o'clock in the office, she says 早上好 to her coworker. 1 o'clock after she coming back from lunch, her coworker is still busy with something. She says 忙呢 2:30 in the morning, she takes a leave to visit a doctor. She says 医生好 4 o'clock, she meets with her friend, and they haven't seen for a long time. She says 你最近好吗 5:30 on her way home, she sees her neighbor is walking a dog. She says 遛狗呢 6 o'clock, she and her boyfriend have a dinner with boyfriend's parents. To boyfriend's mother, she says 阿姨好 To boyfriend's father, she says 叔叔好 8 o'clock in the evening, she takes an online Chinese class. To her teacher, she says 老师好 To her classmates, she says 晚上好 Wow! Janet has just used 10 different ways to greet people in Chinese. That's amazing! Let's take a close look and learn these expressions by groups. First, remember this one. 好 means good. We can place how you address people before 好 to greet people. For example, 阿姨好 阿姨 aunt. It can be any woman at your mother's age. 阿姨好 Hi, aunt. 叔叔好叔叔 uncle. It can be any man at your father's age. 叔叔好 Hi, uncle. 阿姨好叔叔好 You can use these expressions to greet your boyfriend's parents, your girlfriend's parents, or just your parents' friends. Next, 老师好老师 teacher. 老师好 Hi, teacher. 医生好医生 doctor. 医生好 Hi, doctor. Please read after me. 阿姨好叔叔好老师好医生好 You can also place time before 好 to greet people. For example, 早上好早上 morning 早上好 good morning. You can also just say 早下午好下午 afternoon 下午好 good afternoon. 晚上好晚上 evening 晚上好 good evening. Please read after me. 早上好早下午好晚上好 For people we haven't seen for a long time, we can say 你最近好吗 Let's learn this sentence step by step. Remember, 你好 Yes, hi, hello. 你好吗 吗 is a question indicator word. It can use to ask a question. 你好吗 How are you? 你最近好吗最近 recently. 你最近好吗 How are you recently? Please read after me. 你最近好吗 The last but not the least group to greet people is by starting describing the action and ending with a question word. For example, 忙呢?忙 busy 呢 Like we talked before, it's a question indicated word. We use 呢 to ask a question. 忙呢? Are you busy with something? 遛狗呢?遛狗 walk a dog. 遛狗呢? Are you walking a dog? So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something with Janet White. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.